Hello students, today is the time for part 2 video of chapter 4 where animals live adaptations. In this part we are going to study about amphibians, aerial animals, camouflage, hibernation, migration and the various adaptations used by animals for protection. First is amphibians. Amphibians are those animals that live both on land and water. For example, frog. We are here going to study about the adaptive features of frog. Frogs are very well developed to live in water as well as on land. Presence of webbed back feet help them to swim in water, and they have very strong back legs for hopping and catching their prey. Aerial animals are those animals that fly in the air: birds, bat, and insects. Now, the features of bird. Birds have very light and hollow bones, streamlined body, they have feet and claws, they have wings with which they fly in the air. They do not have teeth. They have to use their beak to tear, bite, crush, and chew their food. Now comes the insect. The body of insect is divided into three main parts: head, thorax, and abdomen. Insects have a pair of antennae on the top of their head and they have compound eyes. Three pair of legs. In total, they have six legs, two pairs of wings. Example: dragonfly, bees, wasp. Bats also fly, but bats are not in the category of birds. Bats are mammals. They are capable of flying and they have light, reduced, and shortened bones. They give birth to young ones, so they come into the category of mammals. Camouflage. Camouflage is the property in which the animal is able to blend into the surrounding environment to protect itself from enemies. You can see Arctic fox, chameleon, stick insect, and leaf insect. All these are the example of camouflage. The light fur color of Arctic fox merges with the eyes. Chameleon has the ability to change its color according to environment. Stick insect totally looks like stick, and leaf insect is looking like a green leaf, so the predator is unable to find it. Hibernation is winter sleep. When there's severe winter, some animals go for sleep, reduce their activity, use the stored fat within the body. Metabolic activity is totally reduced and they go for rest, like bat, bear, hedgehog, and chipmunks. Migration. The term migration means the change of place or shifting of place from one place to another by some organism in order to save itself, in order to get better climatic condition, in order to save their children from enemies, and to find a safe breeding place, avoid unfavorable weather conditions, searching food, which are the basic necessity for life. Now, here are some adaptations for protection. Snail, crab, tortoise. These are the animals. They have shell with them. This shell protects them from predators, from their enemies, and they hide inside their shell. Porcupine has got spines. If some animal attacks on it, it uses its spine to save itself. Then there are some organisms that they are able to throw poison on their enemies to save themselves. Pufferfish or blowfish has the ability to double its size in order to save itself from the enemy. Skunk has the ability to throw some smelly mist on its attacker, and like a beetle squirts a smelly spray which is very hot in self defense. Opossum pretends as if it is dead so that the predator leaves it and their lives are saved. So this was all about today's video. Thank you.